Okay, it's been a little while since I did a video on this 88 fj62. Got the chassis pretty much all the way back together. Overhauled those differentials with new bearings. Got all the brakes and steering knuckles, rebuilt all of that. New rotors, calipers, pads, new wheel bearings, the power steering hoses and steering gear on there. Shocks and everything on for the suspension. Got new brake tubes and hoses on most everything. Got the muffler and tailpipe assembly on there. Same thing on the rear with the differential. New bearings in there, new bearings in the axles, all new brakes on the rear, hardware kit, everything. Got that spare tire carrier winch out and cleaned it all up and made everything new there. It's kind of about it. Not a lot to go on there other than all those pieces getting put back together. Got the engine back, machine work done. I got the crankshaft, connecting rods, pistons, oil pump all installed. Probably try to finish that up today, get that engine together. Cylinder head over there ready to go. So that's it, just a quick update. Got those all cleaned up again and new hardware and stuff on those, so be just about ready when I get that engine done to set it in there, get the transmission on, start putting the transfer case together, have the chassis a complete roller with the powertrain in it, then get my drive lines built and get those in there. That's about it for today.